probably should all be in one place because you get massive gains of elasticity out of having everything together. And so a very simple example, we build multiple types of small UAVs, Bolt, Ghost, Altius, so on and so forth. There's a lot of shared resources and a lot of shared technicians that go into the construction, both hardware, software, and then the people involved in building those things. When you look at how our contracts come in, they are really spiky in nature. They blend together over time to look smooth, but they are not smooth. And so you can have a production line that's firing on all cylinders for 6 months and then completely wiped because the next order isn't for 2 years. The ability to then be able to move the human capital and frankly, some of the actual technology itself in the process of manufacturing to whatever that next demand is, means that you can deal with spikes in forecasting and ultimately, importantly, not have to bill that through to your customer, right? Because if you were to keep a line open for one product line singularly, maybe the customer sees this, maybe they don't, but you have to have enough operating capital in order to keep that thing kind of warm, would be the term. So that way, when the spike happens, you're not starting from scratch. And so the customer usually will see that in just an increased price per SKU. What we're trying to avoid is having effectively that tax live on all of our products because we can be a lot more dynamic in how we shift resources across one mega factory in Arsenal One. There's a lot of other sort of benefits to centralization, skills and training, common workbase, common tooling. You mentioned software systems that allow us to quickly design and spin up and spin down lines, software systems that help us not even design something that can't be produced in our facility, which is an interesting concept in and of itself. So I, as a mechanical or electrical engineer, I shouldn't be allowed to make a choice, or it should be very hard for me to make a choice where the end product that I end up with is not able to be produced in Arsenal One. And I should have software that's protecting me through those choices. And yes, we'll make exceptions, like exceptions will only exist. But for the most part, everything we want to build as a company and all the software systems we use to do that